You're going to need to get a set of tweezers, and you need tweezers that are used by watchmakers. Now this is a tweezers that's actually just for the general hobbyist. Watchmakers tweezers will look more like these. Now these are a little bit smaller, a little bit more sharper and fine pointed. These come in a set of 5 and are a very inexpensive set. The only problem is they do tend to get bent. The manufacturing tolerances are not so good because the tips are sometimes mismatched from one side to the other. And you can also get a higher quality expensive set like these, and you can even see right away the difference in quality between the two. Here's a closer view of the tweezers. These are the inexpensive ones here, and these are the more high quality expensive ones. Now these are all stainless steel. The tweezers do come in different models or types. Best for watchmakers, if you're going to buy tweezers, to have a number 3, a number 1, and a number 5. Especially a number 5, you're going to use that for your very fine work. Here's a close-up of 2 number 5 tweezers. The one on your left is the high quality version, and the one on your right is a lesser quality version. And you can see some differences right away in the quality. When you look at these tweezers here, if you notice the top jaw or the top part of the tweezer is kind of thin, but the bottom is thick. Well, there you see where you have your quality of manufacturing is not as good and precise, whereas these on your left are more precise and they fit much tighter than the other ones. When tweezers are in poor condition, it increases the amount of difficulty in handling parts, especially the small parts. If you need to resurface your tweezers, take some sandpaper. This is 320, and this would be rather aggressive if your tweezers really needed a lot of work. And just put the tweezers on like this. See that? Where you've got the fold back here, and then just pull in this direction, and then do it again. And then once you've finished with that, then you can switch to, let's see, this is a 600. And do the same thing. And we've got, here's 1,000. And this is 1,500. And you just run the sandpaper like that, and that'll resurface your tweezers very nicely. In addition to these stainless steel tweezers, some watchmakers use brass tweezers. And the reason why they use brass tweezers is because brass is a softer metal and has less chance of scratching or marring your movement plates or your parts. So many use brass, especially if you're working on high quality watches where you're afraid you might scratch something. You can use a brass tweezer.